There's the tornado. Yeah, absolutely. There's a tornado right there. I'm going to zoom in on the bottom of it and look at the motion right here. Look at that. Pretty violent motion right at the base of the tornado. This is visually, we just acquired it again in the rain. So I think it's been on the ground for a while. It may have come and gone, but we've had, I told you just a second ago, we had that debris that was in the air, and this is what was producing it. Look at the motion in the funnel up above the tornado, like in the top of it. That is just absolutely incredible motion wrapping around it. Look, you can see debris flying around the tornado way, way up in the air, hundreds of feet in the air. Yeah, let's stop. Yeah. Yeah, I think so. Now there, you can tell there's like outbuildings right here, so there are homes in and around this area. The tornado continues. I know you probably can't see the condensation funnel all the way to the ground, but trust me, that's on the ground still. It looks like it's kind of truncated a little bit to where it shrinks just a little bit at a time. Look at all the debris in the sky. I mean, that is just wild watching that. I mean, there's all sorts of things. Like looks like mostly leaves though that are falling in the sky here, as this tornado has just been, ongoing now for several minutes here with a very intense rotation at the base of it.